My name is Tom Greenwald. I'm a partner with Goranson Bain Ausley. I'm board certified in family law. I'm going to answer the question, what are the do's and don'ts of an efficient divorce? One of the first things to do in an efficient divorce is to have reasonable expectations. Also, you want to hire an experienced attorney in the process and take the advice of your attorney. Don't take advice from friends or family or relatives, and don't overcomplicate the terms of your divorce, whether it relates to property or the children. One example of someone that came in for an efficient divorce is they want to have an efficient divorce, an affordable divorce, and they come up with a schedule for the children that is incredibly complex. And in order for a child possession schedule to be enforceable, it has to be very specific. And oftentimes people come in with a possession schedule where they will say, we'll have possession of the children by agreement. That type of a schedule lacks the necessary specificity in order to be enforceable by a court. My recommendation for an efficient divorce is to follow the standard possession order, for example, or come up with a schedule that's workable but that has specificity for days of exchange and times of exchange. So after doing this for over 30 years, I can tell you that it is certainly possible to come up with a workable schedule and still have an efficient and effective divorce. What will often happen in cases is it's important to have a specific court order for child custody, but every divorce decree will say that possession of the children will be conducted by mutual agreement of the parties. And in the absence of a mutual agreement, then we follow the schedule. And in most of those cases where people get along and they want an efficient divorce, they'll come up with a schedule that works for them by mutual agreement. But in the absence of the mutual agreement, then we look to the specific schedule.